I hate this. I don't get calculus.
Don't worry, Beatrice will help you.
Today we're teaching Beatrice about derivative rules. The first one is the power rule. You're given y equals ax to the b power. Its derivative, or y prime, is abx to the b to the negative b minus 1 power. Let's do an example. Y equals 4x to the 5th power. Using the power rule, we can derive this to get y prime equals 20x to the 4th power. I think it's starting to make sense, but I don't know. I think we need to do some more examples. Don't worry, Beatrice. We're going to do some more examples. We're starting out with the formula that we gave you last time. Keep this in mind while we do the examples. The first example is 3x squared plus 2x plus x to the 5th minus x to the 6th. This might seem long and scary, but don't fret about it. It'll be really simple if you just use what you know. First, we're going to multiply the powers. 3 times 2, which will give us 6. Minus 1, 2 minus 1 is just 1. You just have 6x to the first power, or 6x. Same thing here. There's an imaginary power of 1 here, of course, so we'll multiply that to 2, and you just have 2. You drop the x, and 2x becomes a constant. The x to the 5th. We'll multiply the power by the invisible 1 in front of the x to give us 5x. Subtract the 5 power minus 1, so it'll be 5x to the 4th. We're going to repeat this one more time. 6 times 1, subtract the power, 6x to the 5th. And that is your derivative. I think I get it. I'm ready for another rule. The second rule that we're going to do is called the chain rule. I'll give you the formula to start you off. Y equals f of g of x, so that the derivative y prime equals f prime g of x times g prime of x. Let's do an example. The quantity x squared plus 5 squared. Now we're going to bring the power out in front. 2 times, keep the quantity, x squared plus 5. Now take the derivative of the quantity, which is just 2x. We can remember that when we have a constant and we derive it, it goes to 0. And that is your derivative. We're going to do another example of the chain rule just to make sure that you've got the hang of it. The quantity 4x minus x squared to the 100th power. We're going to, once again, take the 100, put it out in front, leave the quantity alone for right now, which is just 4x minus x squared. Once you put that, just derive the quantity, which is just 4 minus 2x. And there you have your derivative. I finally get it! Now I'm gonna ace my calculus test. First, conquer calculus, then the world.